What's up, family? Welcome to another episode of Building with Dad. Today we're reviewing the Pure filters. So, a lot of lead is popping up in people's waters, in different cities and different states all over. So, a lot of us have filters and, it's better safe than sorry. So, the thing today is when you change these filters, when the light is changing red, it's time to change the filter. But for some reason, when you change the filter, the light is still red. So what I had to do was reach out to customer service, and I found out that there's a little clicker in there that if you don't click that button, it's like a reset button, then it'll still be blinking red. So basically, even when you change the filter, it'll still be blinking red until you do the clicker button. Now, I don't know if all of them are doing this, but this is a problem that I've been experiencing with mine. So when I reached out with customer service, that's what they said was the way to fix the issue. So, twist this off. We already unwrapped the filter. This is Pure Filter, by the way, and I don't work for them in any other way, in any type of way, shape, or form. I'm not affiliated with them at all. But, I have the product, and I'm just letting others know how to solve this problem if they happen to run across it. So, of course, as you can see in there, that hole in there, you see that right there? So, in there, that hole has to be lined up with the hole on the filter. And this is the device right here. So, if you take a closer look, this is the clicker button right here. Hear that? So once you push it with your finger, it'll pop out. It'll appear in, but once you hit it with your finger, it'll pop back out. And that's basically the way to reset it. So we're going to put this in here. Make sure it's in all the way. Heard that click? So put a little force and then it clicks in. And then you can screw this back on. Nice amount of screwing. Especially if you got kids, you definitely want to make sure your water's filtered. Don't want to be getting in lead or whatever else in these waters. So you figure if these pipes haven't been changed since they was first established, then it's probably lead and all type of other sorts of stuff floating around in our water. So see, it's running normal. When we get the filter, it'll be blinking green. See that? Non-filtered, filtered. It's blinking green. So that completes our video today. Hopefully y'all subscribe to the channel for more videos, more updates, and more how-to-dos on Building with Dad. Whoop whoop.
Don't try your luck when you up against me. I'll show you ain't no competition. Yeah, I'm winning. And if it's business or the streets, I'ma get it cause I work too hard to finish. Yeah, I'm winning. And to my haters, I'ma shine, I'ma feed them, I'ma give them what they want. Just know I'm doing it for my benefits. From the bottom, from the struggle, when they're winning. Take a look at me, see I'm winning.